EDI Claims System Upgrade, a PilotFish case study. A leading workers' compensation insurance provider, processing over 500,000 claims weekly, embarked on a digital transformation journey. Their goal was to modernize their claims management system, replacing outdated EDI solutions with advanced technology. The company faced a critical challenge: replace unsupported legacy systems with a robust, fully integrated platform within a year. The new system needed to enhance productivity, streamline claims processing, and provide real-time insights with dynamic reporting. Partnering with PilotFish's integration solutions, the company sought a best-of-breed EDI platform. PilotFish's expertise and advanced X12 EDI capabilities, including SNP 1 through 7, were crucial for handling medical expense reimbursements and HIPAA transactions. The new system delivered improved accuracy, efficiency, and scalability, meeting the one-year deadline. This modernization effort significantly enhanced claims processing and decision-making. In under a year, the insurance provider transformed its claims management system, achieving faster settlements and improved profitability. This successful partnership with PilotFish highlights the importance of modernizing technology infrastructure in the insurance industry. It is now more important than ever to keep up with health information technology.